Hi, so today I will be walking you through how to access your advising notes from home.apu.edu. So first, once you log in, it will take you straight to your dashboard, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down to see if you have the Academic Success Center widget already on your dashboard. This is what it will look like. If you don't have it on your dashboard, that's okay. If you just go ahead and click on the Settings widget in the upper right-hand corner, this will go ahead and show you some options, including Edit My Widgets. So just go ahead and click on that. This will now open up to show you the available widgets that you can add to your dashboard. You're going to scroll down to see the Academic Success Center. Since mine is already added, I'm not going to click it, but if you don't have it added, go ahead and select that. And make sure you scroll to the bottom and press Save. Once you have saved your widget settings, you can go ahead and scroll down and now look for the Academic Success Center widget, which is now over here. And you're going to go ahead and select Student Advising Notes underneath the widget. This will now open up and take you to another link, which will show you your different advising notes created by your academic success coach or peer advisor. And you're just going to want to click this little icon underneath advising note here to open your advising note. And now underneath the comments section, you can go ahead and find your academic map link, as well as any other comments or notes that your academic success coach may have left for you to look at. And to open your academic map, just go ahead and select the link. And this will now take you to your map. And this is mine. And that's it.